Okay, so in last lecture we have gone through the problem statement of Tower of Hanoi. Okay, this is what one puzzle. I will write problem statement here. Implement a program of Towers of KMOI, Towers of Hanoi. So this problem statement yesterday we have seen with the help of virtual lab, right? Okay, so today we are going to write a code for it. Okay, so I will start with the program. Okay, so I will write here one function. Yes, tower in bracket. Now I will pass. Yes, how many? We are having three rods. That is source rod, destination rod, temporary rod, right? And we are going to take one number of disk as my fourth argument. So I will write it here. Let's say I'm having all this as this is n. Here I'm going to take the number of disk. Now here I'm going to take as a character value for disk A, that is A variable. Then I will have one more variable of type character, let's say B, and here I am having fourth variable C. Okay, why I have taken this as a character? Because I am using source node. इथे मला काय करायचं लेटर्स वापरायचे S for source, D for destination, T for temporary. So this N is of type integer, so it will hold integer type of value. But what I want here, I want to give name to that rods. Okay, so I am using here as character data type. Okay. Then next is what I have declared the function here, which is of type a void function. Sorry, I declared it as integer. Okay, void function will make in a simple way. We will not have this written in all part. Yes. Then I will give here value of n is, let's say n is equal to 3. I am having 3 number of disks. Then I will call the function tower, TOWR, tower. In bracket, now here I am going to pass the value, that is n, which will have the 3 value. Then the value for this character. Okay, if you remember, we have declared the character of character A is equal to, this is what character constant, so I will give the value in the single inverted comma, right? This way. इथे कॅरेक्टर कॉन्स्टंटला व्हॅल्यू कशी देतात किंवा कॅरेक्टर व्हेरिएबलला व्हॅल्यू कशी देतात इन सिंगल कोट. ओके, instead of this what I am doing here, I am passing the value for this character A. The value will be single quote, in single quote A, or you can write it as source as well. Okay, then next value is B. Okay, I will use B here. And next temporary variable, that is temporary rod, that is C. Okay, then once the function is called, I will write here the definition of the function: void tower, yes, spelling is correct, tower. Now in bracket again I am going to use the same NABC. Okay, here the body Now there are possibilities. Now what are the possibilities? Yes, can you tell me? If I'm having, sorry, I have written, okay, if n is exactly equal to 1, if I'm having one disk, जर एकच डिस्क असेल तर काय करणार, I just move from source rod to the destination rod. मी काय करणार, त्या source rod मधून ती डिस्क उचलून destination rod ला पेस्ट करणार. So I will just write a statement here. Okay, I will use /n so that it will move to next line. Move disk 1, that is I'm having only one disk. Okay, disk 1 from I will type it here, the name of rod from percent. Now as I have declared the rods with A, B, C and of type character, so I will write here from %C to %C. कुठल्या रॉड कडून कुठल्या रॉड कडे ती डिस्क मूव्ह होती ती, and here A is the source rod and B is the destination rod. Okay, the value belongs to this A, that means A variable here, and B, this is what the name of rods. Okay, so it will give from A to B. Okay, and here next okay, now if this condition is not there, if this condition is not there, then what I need to do, I mean I need to, yes, execute the my function again. Now here I need to shift my disk, that means I need to go with -1. एक डिस्क काय करायचे मला, तीन पैकी एक मूव करायचे. So I will write it here n-1. So it is moved from, yes, source, that is the variable A, to temporary rod, that is variable C, and to the destination. Okay, likewise I need to shuffle. See, first is A, B, C, then A, C, B, then C, B, A. Okay, I need to iterate this uh, this way to shuffle my disk from one node to the one rod to the other rod. Now here I will not use the one here, I will use the number of disk %D. Okay, so one I have used here because I am checking this condition for only one disk. Here I don't know which disk is moved. कुठल्या नंबरची डिस्क मूव्ह झाली हे मला माहिती का, n-1 मध्ये ते थर्ड आहे, सेकंड आहे किंवा फर्स्ट आहे. सो टू प्रिंट दिस I will use here %D, and here I will call the variable n. Then for %C here I am having A and B. Okay, now again I will call the function one more time with, yes, C, B and A to shuffle the disk. Okay, this is the program. Okay, now when I run the program, segmentation fault. So where it goes wrong, n, okay, it is of type integer, that is correct. Because this here it returning the value whether I'm having or not, so I need to use it here return statement, and as I used here return statement, so I have created my main function where the function is called, so it is of type integer. Okay, so now you check, move disk 1 from rod A to B, second move disk 2. Okay, uh, now just give me a minute. Okay, is screen is visible to you? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
this is my a variable. This is my a rod A. Okay, I will, yes. Then I'm having here, this is rod B, and sorry, this is rod C. Okay, now check, as I have taken it here, n is equal to, yes, 3 number of discs. So here I have drawn 3 discs. This is red, which is the largest disc. The second light pink color disc, this is second, and this brown color, this is third disc. Okay, which is the smallest. Now check here. Okay, so what is the what is here in the output? Move disk 1 from A to B. So what I will do, I will move this disk from here to here. Okay, so I'm having a brown color disk at this place. Okay, brown color disk. What is the second step? Move disk 2 from A to C. This color disk I'm moving here. Okay, correct. Now move disk 1, that means this disk, from B rod to C rod. Yes, again this condition is valid because this is what the smallest, is the medium. Okay, medium can be below, above the smaller. Okay, now I don't have any disk here. I have two disks, that is first and this is second disk. Okay, this is first disk. Now what is my next? Move disk 3, that is the largest disk, from A to B. Okay, now here I am moving it. See, I will erase the previous. Because the disk is moved from this location to other location. Now here, in this iteration, the largest disk is moved here and it is now at the B. Okay, it is now at B. Now what is the next? Move disk 1 from C to A. Now again, the smallest disk, I need to move it back to this A. And here, as all the 3 disks have been moved, इथे काय झालेत? हे तिन्ही डिस्क काय झालेत? मूव्ह झालेत, बरोबर? Accordingly, B and on C rod. So now I can keep my small disk over A. A हा rod आता सध्या काय आहे? It is in the blank state. So here I will add the A, which is the smallest disk. Now smallest disk is there in the A, biggest disk is there on the B, and medium is on the C. Now just check the remaining. Move disk 2 from C to B. Okay, what I need to do? I need to move the medium disk from C to B. Now here I'm having the largest at the base, the medium I moved from C to B, and again check move disk 1 from rod A to, that means from here to again B rod. So here I am having third disk. येतंय का लक्षात? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yesterday we have seen with the help of graphics, but whatever the moves are happening actually. So as we have not gone through graphics programming because it is not for our syllabus, so we will not look for, yes, we will not look for this part, the graphical representation. So what I did here, I have mentioned it, the steps. आता आपण सध्या काय करू शकतोय, स्टेप्स डिफाइन करू शकतोय. रॉड ए मधून रॉड बी कडे, बी मधून सी कडे कसे ट्रान्सफर होत आहेत ते. ओके, सो इज दिस थिंग क्लिअर टू यू? हॅलो?
Sir, आणखी एकदा लॉजिक सांगा ना.
येस. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनिट. Okay, now check again. In the program, I have declared here the number of disks. See, you first need to understand what is there in the function. Function, this first argument is taking the number of disks. Second argument is dealing with, yes, is dealing with the source node or source rod, as like I represented here, right? The second B is this mean the second, or as per this sequence, the third argument is dealing with the destination. Okay, this is what the destination rod, this is the source rod, and this is the temporary. Okay, have you remembered the program of swapping of numbers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is not possible directly to change the values from A to B. जे आता कंडिशन्स आहेत टावर्स ऑफ होनाय मध्ये, बरोबर, एक डिस्क शिफ्ट करताना किंवा दुसरी डिस्क शिफ्ट करताना, with this condition it is not directly possible to arrange the source disk from A rod to the means source rod to the destination rod. मग याच्यासाठीच काय केलं, एक टेम्पररी or you can say ऑक्झिलेटरी हा रॉड एक यूज केलाय, त्याचं नाव काय दिलंय आपण, सी, बरोबर. तसंच आपण स्वॅपिंग ऑफ टू नंबर्स मध्ये काय केलं, ए बी आणि टेम्पररी व्हेरिएबल यूज केला होता, बरोबर. ए या व्हेरिएबल मधली व्हॅल्यू टेम्पररी व्हेरिएबल मध्ये, त्याच्यानंतर बी या व्हेरिएबलची ए या व्हेरिएबल मध्ये, आणि टेम्पररी मध्ये जी व्हॅल्यू आहे ती कशाची आहे, ए व्हेरिएबलची. So it is passed to the B variable. So A is having the value of B is having the value of A through this temporary. मग आता आपण या प्रोग्राम मध्ये सुद्धा काय करतो, टावर्स ऑफ टेम्पररी रॉड यूज करून काय करतोय आपण, प्रोग्राम एक्झिक्यूट करतोय. आता टेम्पररी रॉड कशासाठी यूज करायचं आहे, टू सॅटिस्फाय द कंडिशन. सो व्हॉट आर द कंडिशन, द लार्जेस्ट डिस्क should be at the below while transferring, and the middle disk should be at the middle, and this last disk is always considered as the smallest disk. आता तुम्हाला विचार म्हणजे you may have a thought like याच्यामध्ये आपण इथे स्मॉल डिस्क कुठे मेन्शन केली प्रोग्राम मध्ये, बरोबर का. हा मे बी एक तुम्हाला विचार आला असेल, बरोबर का.
Yes, sir.
हा, see when we are defining here, when we are defining here, the value of n, it is always considered as the last value. That means the third disk is the largest, second is the middle, and first one is the smallest. त्याच्यामध्ये जो नंबर असेल, इथं जर आता 4 असेल, तर 4 हा 4 ही डिस्क इथे जर तुम्ही चेक केलं, मूव डिस्क 3 म्हणजे इथं काय असणार आहे, लास्टची डिस्क मूव डिस्क 4 ही सगळ्यात मोठी असणार. त्याच्यानंतर 3 नंबर, त्याच्यानंतर 2 नंबर, आणि त्याच्यानंतर 1 नंबर. It is considered best, the disk is considered based on the disk number. इथे 4 number हा largest, it is the largest one. 3 number is the like in between. 2 number is again smaller than the 3, and 1 is the smallest. Okay. त्या व्हॅल्यू इथे बेस्ड ऑन दिस n minus 1. ओके, त्या व्हॅल्यू काय होतात इथं, इट इज कन्सिडर ॲज द स्मॉलेस्ट. द लार्जेस्ट वन विल बी शिफ्ट फ्रॉम सोर्स टू डेस्टिनेशन. Okay, and accordingly again reversing happens. Now check. Okay, I will erase this again. Instead of erase, I will use new file. It will be very easy. Okay, now okay, so at currently the all the disks are here on the A. Okay, sorry. Then I'm having some other color. Okay, this is red. Then I will use green color, which is smaller than this. And then, okay, now I will use green color here. Okay, this is third disk, this is second, and this is one. Okay, I will make a note here. 3, this is 2, and this is 1. Okay, now what is happening here, just check. Okay, now this is A, B, and C. Now if you check here at the output, if I am having n is equal to 1, that means if I only one disk, it directly move to from source to the destination. Okay, from A, that is what A is holding this capital A. बरोबर, A म्हणजेच काय, capital A, and B is the small. Okay, I will run this by assuming the value n is equal to 1. Okay, if you check move disk 1, that is, as it is only one, that is why I have not written here %d. Okay, from rod A to B, so it directly shift from source to the destination. So there is no any issue. Okay, it is very simple. But now when it is greater than 1, or it has any value, like let's say 3, now how it runs, it first transfer the disk from source. Now check here, n minus 1, then A, C, B. If this condition is false, that means if n is not equal to 1, then go to next statement. That means if this statement is not going to be executed, the block of if is not going to execute, it will move to next statement. What is there in the next statement? N minus 1, that is disk is going to move from, yes, rod A to rod B. Okay, now it moves from source, राईट, ए टू बी, विच डिस्क फर्स्ट, इथे जी काही लिहिली मी एन, ही इथे पास होणार व्हॅल्यू. देन फॉर सी द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ ए विच इज कॅपिटल ए, for value b it is capital B. Okay, so it moves from this to here. Here I am having this value. Okay, after this execution, this print statement get executed, you will find the result here. इथे तुम्हाला result मिळाला. Then what is the next? n minus 1. Then it calls the function again. It replace value of this source. इथले सोर्स, आता सोर्स काय झालाय माझा, इथे चेक करा, फंक्शन चेक करा. फंक्शन मध्ये काय आहे, हा सोर्स नोड आहे बरोबर, सोर्स रॉड. आता तो सोर्स रॉड कुठला आहे माझा परत, यस सी, म्हणजे हा लास्ट झाला इथे. त्याच्यानंतर डेस्टिनेशन बी अँड टेम्पररी कुठला आहे ए. सो इट विल इम्प्लिमेंट, इट विल पास द व्हॅल्यू हिअर अगेन, सी बी ए. सी बी ए असेल तर काय होईल, इथे जाईल परत. सो इट विल मूव the next disk from source to the destination. Now what is the value of what is the value of this C? It is nothing but again capital A. So here the C get calls, here the B get calls. So what is the value of B now here? It is C. So you may check here. Okay, disk 2 from rod A to C. Okay, now again it iterates. Then it goes again, it is not found, again it goes to this place, again it finds the original function here, A to C. So now the value of A is shifted, yes, source node to the destination from B to C. Then the remaining, like as I explained earlier, B to C, then B to A to C, then B to C, and again then the remaining disk A to, yes, B, then C is going to move back to A, then B to C to B, and then again A to B. Okay, हे थोडंसं तुम्ही जरा नोटबुक वरती जर ड्रॉ केलं तर तुम्हाला बेटर वे मध्ये कळेल. थोडेसे you may take a number of pages, but it will be clearly understood to you what is happening in this function, what is happened after this function call, and after this again it will go to this place. It will check whether n is equal to 1. If not, it goes to next line. It change the, or you can say it move disk from one place to other. Then again it calls this, again it goes back. This is what a recursion. So function is calling itself again and again. Okay, so can you do it now? आता implement करू शकताय तुम्ही. Doing the practice in your notebook, while you are doing the practice, just take first as these 3 rods. Okay, एक लाइन ड्रॉ करा, त्याच्यानंतर 3 वर्टिकल लाइन्स ड्रॉ करा. ओके, आणि त्याच्यानंतर ॲज पर युअर रिक्वायरमेंट, लाईक 2 or 3 यू कॅन टेक, येस 2 or 3 नंबर ऑफ स्लाइड्स तुम्ही घ्या, और डिस्क पण म्हणू शकता तुम्ही त्याला. अँड देन ओके, अशा डिस्क घ्या, एक काहीतरी नाव द्या इथे. इट मे बी लाईक A, B, C. Okay, now what is step 1? Step 1, एक तर तुम्ही इथे पास करू शकता, और तुमच्याकडे 2 चॉईस आहेत, इथे पास करू शकता. एकदा पास झाली डिस्क, त्याच्यानंतर स्टेप 2 काय असेल, इथे परत 3 वर्टिकल लाइन्स काढायच्या. त्याच्यानंतर एक इथे किती असणार, 2 डिस्क, इथे तुमची छोटी डिस्क सगळी, आणि सेकंड इथे मूव्ह करा. जसं मी इथं ॲरोनी करतोय तुम्हाला, सेम यू हॅव टू डू. त्याच्यानंतर तिसरी स्टेप काय असणार आहे, इथे तुमची लार्जेस्ट डिस्क असेल, इथे स्मॉलेस्ट डिस्क, इथे मीडियम. ओके, नाव व्हॉट इज द नेक्स्ट, पझल सॉल्व करताना ही डिस्क इकडे, त्याच्यानंतर 4 नंबर, 4 नंबरला काय स्टेट असेल तुमची, इथे लार्जेस्ट डिस्क, देन दिस इज वॉट ए बी आणि ही सी डिस्क. इथे काय असेल तुमचे मीडियम आणि त्याच्यावरती परत स्मॉल डिस्क. सो बी इज ब्लँक, सेंड ए टू बी. 5th नंबरला काय असेल, B is holding the largest. Here I am having the medium and above that this. Okay, A, B, C. नंतर 6 नंबर, 6 नंबरच्या स्टेप्सला काय असेल, here A is blank, B is having the value of largest, C मध्ये 1 आणि ही जी छोटी डिस्क आहे, you are going to move from this disk to A, rod to A. Okay, this is what your 6th. What is 7th? Again you are going to shift 8 number काय असेल तुमचा, ही स्टेप इथे. सो या वेळेने तुम्ही एकदा करून बघा आणि देन यू रिलेट each step with this code. Then you relate each steps with the function call. Very important thing, you need to remember दिस डिक्लेरेशन मध्ये फर्स्टला काय करतोय तुम्ही, एन म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ डिस्क पास करताय. सेकंड आर्ग्युमेंट तुमचं कुठलंही व्हेरिएबल असेल इथे डेफिनेशन मध्ये, व्हॉट यू आर पासिंग द व्हॅल्यू ॲज सोर्स नोड, हिअर द डेस्टिनेशन अँड हिअर द टेम्पररी. सो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस फंक्शन डिक्लेअर अँड फंक्शन कॉल. ओके, ह्या 2 गोष्टी तुम्हाला लक्षात ठेवायच्या. अँड बेस्ड ऑन दिस हे एकदा तुम्ही नोटबुकमध्ये प्रत्येक स्टेपचं एकदा डिक्लेअर करून एकदा एक्झाम्पल चेक करा अँड देन रिलेट विथ द कोड. डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट, if still you are having the confusion, definitely your confusion will be get clear. Okay, so for today we will stop here.